Hello, friends! Welcome to Melody Milo Kids!
What is this?
Shoe.
What is this?
These are socks.
What is this?
Feeding bottle.
What is this?
Kettle.
What is this?
A dustpan. What is this? A bulb.
What is this?
Clock. What is this? A lamp.
What is this?
Mirror.
What is this?
A bowl.
What is this?
Cup.
What is this?
A spoon. What is this? Toothpaste.
What is this?
Toothbrush.
What is this?
Sponge.
What is this?
A fork.
What is this?
Blender.
What is this?
Comb. What is this? Teddy bear.
What is this?
Towel. What is this? Hanger.
What is this?
Iron.
What is this?
Knife.
What is this?
A plate.
What is this?
Soap.